Alright guys, what's up to the channel? It's me, Roosevelt. So today is the 21st, and like I say, I'm giving away the PLM Tensioner. So we're gonna do the drawing. I'm not gonna really edit this or anything like that. What's gonna go live, but I'm having an issue with the recording, so I'm pre-recording it. I'm gonna post it up. This is gonna be a continuous shot, so here you guys go. I'm gonna pack this up and then send out to whoever's gonna win this. But I have all the names and the IG or YouTube or email. All the names are in here. I'm gonna shake it up. Alright guys, let's see who's gonna be the winner for this giveaway. Alright, let's see who is. There you goes, guy. This is what? Antag_EK. Thanks for participating. Congratulations. I will be contacting you about the your information and get it shipped out to you. But until next time, you guys stay safe, keep building. I will be taking a break from the car because all my parts are on back order, so a lot of my stuff are taking forever to get to me. So then, until then, I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, keep building. Peace out.